Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei P30 Lite, and today I'll show you how to put the device into recovery mode. So to get started, we'll need to shut it off by holding the power key. So let's do that now. There we go, and select power off. And once the device shuts off, which is fairly quickly, you want to hold power key and volume up. Hold both of those keys at the same time. And once you see the Huawei logo, we can let go. And as you can see, we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, we can either tap on the options or use volume keys to navigate, as you can see. And all the options are here, so we can reboot system, which will just go back to Android, wipe data, factory reset, which is, well, just a reset of the device, wipe cache partition, and put the device into safe mode. So whichever one you want to select, you can use, like I said, either volume keys to select it and then power key to confirm it, or simply tap on it, which I will do. So let's leave this mode by tapping on reboot system now, and give it a moment. And there we go, now it's turning back on. And there we go, we're back in the Android system. So that is how you would enter and also leave the recovery mode. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.